With direct grilling, food is placed over the fire and cooked directly by flame and heat. It's the ideal way to cook steaks, chops, burgers, boneless chicken breasts, kebabs, fish fillets, many vegetables, and other quick cooking foods. Let's get started. Top off and light the Big Green Egg Natural Lump Charcoal. The mix of 100% natural oak and hickory wood ensures an even fire and unmatched flavor. After a few minutes, add the cooking grid with no convector. While the stainless steel cooking grid works perfectly for grilling, the cast iron cooking grid retains heat for those beautiful sear marks. Bring the egg up to the desired temperature. Grilling temperatures generally range from 400 to 750 degrees, depending on the food that you are cooking. Direct grilling sears the exterior surface of the meat to form a delicious crust with the juices locked inside.